you guys? It's your girl CiCi and I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing this wig that I have in my head from a company off of Amazon. I believe you pronounce it LoveVol hair, but I'm going to put a clip right here because I don't want to butcher the name. I am wearing their 4x4 Brazilian water wave wig. It's 180 density, 22 inches. She did not come in this color. I dyed her myself, and I do have some clips of that you guys will see next when y'all watch the install and stuff like that. Y'all know how I normally do my videos. But yes, and I also want to show you guys how I got these burgundy brows to match the hair. I don't know why I seem so excited, but I'm just really feeling the whole colored brow and colored hair thing because I have never did colored brows, and I must say myself, I body. Today is Monday, August 23rd. I did have this hair in since Friday, so I can give you guys a little on how I feel about it. I don't have any issues with it, but the one con I did run into was definitely the shedding. Like when I took it out the bag, it was shedding. When I dyed the hair, because I didn't use any bleach, it was shedding. But it wasn't like hair all over the place, but it was noticeable when I was like combing it out and detangling it in the brush and the comb and stuff like that. But besides that, the hair is fine. She kept her curl pattern even after being colored. It's still super soft, like, and full. Like, I really like the hair. And like, my eyebrows actually match the hair perfectly, so I definitely got to do a tutorial on that before I take this hair out, because y'all know red is my color. But my camera's about to die, so let's just get straight into the install and the dyeing process. And yes, I'll see you guys in the end. So I'm about to dye the hair. I decided last minute that I'm gonna dye it. So it's here on the mannequin head. I'm in my living room doing this because I don't want to get it on my carpet in my office. Y'all know my carpet is pink. This is the colors I'm going to be using with 40 volume developer only. I'm going to mix it in. This powder is only here because I did bleach the knots on it already and whatnots. Anyways, the knots are bleached, and now we're about to just dye this wig red, and let's see how this comes out. So I want to leave the closure out. This is how far I got so far though. I still got a couple more boxes, so I'm gonna go over it, but this is just how it looks right now. So I just finished the whole head, and I left a tiny bit of root because I didn't want it to be red all the way down. I'm gonna leave this and eat real quick, probably come back in about an hour because I don't want the top to be, you know, because I did the bottom first. I don't want the bottom to be too bright and then the top doesn't match. So I'm gonna leave it on for maybe about an hour. And this is how she is looking. I did not want to get too close to the root, but let's see how this turns out. So I just washed out all the dye and stuff. I don't think the light in here is gonna do it any justice right now, so I'm just gonna have to wait till after it dries, and then tomorrow when I put it on, but you can kind of see. I mixed the red with the magenta, same brand, just because I didn't want it all one tone, and I think I like that. So I let the wig air dry, and I wasn't gonna come back until I put it on my head, but I wanted to get a good look at the color I was able to achieve with a no bleach. First, I'm gonna sew an elastic band into it. I don't have my ring light in here, so the lighting may be a little off. But I got the wig on my head. The color's cute. It's still a little wet or whatever. But let's get into this lace because... And this is just with the elastic band. No cap, nothing. Just... Go. So I'm gonna use this and the new product that I swear by. So we're gonna use this and see what we can do. I'm not even gonna put too much because, to be honest, I don't even need it, but I really want the lace to, I don't want the ends or nothing to flap up. I want it to be flat. I ain't gonna lie. This, when I say I was in 95-degree weather and my wig did not go nowhere with this spray, all right. They're gonna have to sponsor me because I'm trying to deal with that feeling. This wig don't got no clips on the side, so this band is definitely saving my life. Just pushing it in. Hold on, cause if y'all could see, if this wasn't wet, hold on. Oh, oh. Alright, stop playing with me. Stop playing with my interior design skills. Okay, this way. It's like when you body your hair, nobody can really tell you anything. Wrap it up with my House of Slay elastic band for a little bit.
One eternity later.
I know you're probably like, girl, like, what happened to the quality? My camera died, but I want to record the ending for my video. So as you guys saw me install the hair, you saw me dye it, bleach the knots, all that good stuff. Like I said in the beginning, the only real con I had about the hair was the shedding that I was receiving, but it's not really shedding like that anymore. It took the color perfectly, even though I did not add any bleach. Like, just look at her. The curl pattern is still fire. Hair is super soft, and I'm so glad that I did my eyebrows. Like, they match exactly. Like, look at the color. Like, but yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. I'm so tired of recording on my phone. Like, come on now. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.